Mom red-bellied woodpecker isn't giving us a good look at her red belly, but we are getting a great look at the black and white banding on her back that looks much like the striping on a zebra. In the fall, red-bellied woodpeckers can be found out in the woods eating acorns, but they also can be found around crabapple trees, wild grapes, so they eat fruits, nuts, besides all the bugs that they pick out beneath the bark of trees. These bright green little corn rootworm beetles look very pretty, but they can be quite a pest out in cornfields. In the fall now, female corn rootworm beetles will lay their eggs at the base of corn plants. The larvae, well, actually the eggs overwinter. The larvae hatch out next spring and start eating the developing corn roots. So they can be a big problem out in cornfields, though many times now farmers will control those corn rootworms with insecticides. Anyway, the adult corn rootworm beetles feed on things, well, actually corn pollen, but actually pollen from all sorts of different flowers as well. And these are feeding on one of the last flowers to bloom out on the prairies, which is the New England aster. Honey mushrooms grow in clumps at the base of dead or infected trees around here, primarily oak trees. The honey mushroom is a parasitic mushroom, so as mycelium spreads out and the rhizomorphs, which are black, by the way, they're like little black roots, actually attack and will kill, or can kill anyway, the trees that they invade. And usually they'll kind of creep up the tree between the bark and the living tissue inside. The honey mushroom is a good edible mushroom, but just make sure you're getting a honey mushroom and not other brown mushrooms or honey-colored mushrooms that grow in the woods. Some of those can be deadly. There is a ring around the honey mushroom stem below the cap as they mature, and they will have a white spore print. Very good edibles, by the way, and if you get too many, you can pickle them.